Welcome the our channel. Today we how to download Mint Alternatives for Investing Tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the search bar, type Mint Alternatives for Investment Tracking and press enter. Review the search results and identify a few popular alternatives. Some well-known options include Personal Capital, Tiller, and InAB. Click on the link for the alternative you want to explore. You will be redirected to the official website of the chosen app. Once on the website, look for the Download or Get Started button. Click on the button to initiate the download process. If you are using a desktop, choose the appropriate version for your operating system. For mobile devices, you'll typically be directed to the App Store or Google Play Store. Follow the prompts on your screen to download the app to your device. After the download is complete, locate the app in your Applications folder or on your home screen. Click on the app icon to open it. When prompted, create an account using your email address and a secure password. If you already have an account from a previous session, select the Login option. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the user interface. Navigate to the Settings or Setup section to link your bank and investment accounts. Provide the required information and follow any additional prompts to sync your financial data. Explore the various features offered by the app to maximize your investment tracking. You may want to set up alerts and notifications for better management of your investments. Finally, ensure to regularly check the app for updates to keep your tracking efficient and accurate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.